Hello and welcome back to DuPont Presents The Power of Shunya, the challenge for zero. 3 challengers here today with 3 innovative products. We've seen one, it's time to see the second. Tell us more about it. We have Amit Maurya from IIT Mumbai and Akhila Rao from SPJ in Mumbai. Please welcome them. Amit and Akhila, how are you feeling today?
Feeling it's fine.
Just fine?
Little bit nervous.
Little nervous? Don't worry. Just take a deep breath, okay? They're judges, not executioners. Well, sometimes they are. Okay, so if you're good to go, the floor is all yours.
This innovation idea came back to me a year ago at our campus at IIT Mumbai. At that time, lake rehabilitation program was going on. There were 2-3 excavators used to dredge the lake, but they were dredging this lake only around the shores. They could not go beyond 100 to 200 meters. So I thought that I should come up with some innovation which is cost effective, which is economical, and which does not use much fuel, and which could go deep into the lake and solve a problem of a lake of any size or area. We took many iterations of design, and after 2 months we came up with this final design, where we used a mountable mechanism on a 2-hull boat. In this mechanism we used that nylon cables which could go in deep into the lake and carry out this dredging and effectively and come up and dump it on the 2-hull boat. We used 2-hull to stabilize the boat and also to improve the sludge carrying capacity of the boat. We have also working on the scaled up version of this project, and in the scaled up version we will use hydraulic actuators. So overall this can work in big lakes also.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Amit. We also have Mr. Ramesh Singh who's joining us from IIT Mumbai. So could you tell us the science component that has, according to you, gone into this innovation?
So short answer what I would like to give is that you need solid mechanical design. So you need to have a good mechanical design to be able to go down and then close it and pick it up. So we have a 6-bar mechanism for accomplishing that, and then we have multiple motors to basically wind while it retracts.
Thank you very much for that. And now we're going to go straight to Akhila, who's going to give us the business and the marketing plan of this. So over to you, Akhila.
Out of the 122 countries, survey for quality of potable water, India ranks 3rd from the bottom. So, this being the case, by 2025, Mumbai is going to be like one of the worst cities in the world in terms of scarcity. And I see a very, very compelling need. And this need can actually convert this innovation into a business, which is what I want to talk about. My customer segments being the primary segment that I'm talking about at present is the municipality, the lake development authorities and other civic bodies, and NGOs and all these other organizations that share the motive of lake protection. They are like my indirect customers, because we will also go to them and we will try to catalyze the process of government actions by working in tandem with the NGOs. That is one segment that would look at, and in the longer term, we want to go to the private players with the improved version of the product. We've already talked about some scale up, but we further want to do some more R&D and go for a unmanned version, and then go on to the private players, the builders, the malls, wherever there is a water body basically. Coming to the distribution strategy, it is definitely more of a B2B kind of strategy, But I would also like to use some of B2C strategy in terms of reaching out to people. I would go for a direct sale, but we want to emphasize on like marathons and social media campaigns, and we will also have innovation campus events on innovations, because this is something we would want to like look at in the long term, since we are builders of ecosystems.
Excellent. Thank you for that presentation.
How are you powering this boat?
We will use a propeller, a trolling electric propeller. It will it costs around 50k or 40k.
There's nothing really robotic about it at this point in time. When you see the word robotic, it actually makes you think of a product which has its own power, its own mind. So maybe.
We're going to excuse team 2. Thank you so much. That was a good presentation. Okay, well, I think our judges could also use a bit of a shoulder rub right now, but we're going to get our next contestants ready because the weight of the country's future is on their shoulders. We're going to take a break and come back on DuPont Presents The Power of Shunya Challenge for Zero. We'll be right back.